Whoa, that's on fire.
On this episode of American Detour, we make our $800 death trap of Jeep a little less deadly.
How much did you get this lift for? $1,000. Okay. So the last time we saw the Jeep on the show, we were trying to figure out what the popping noise was. We went as far as cutting down the panhard bar, U-joints, wheel bearings, steering gearbox, bushing. One of us got under it while the other one steered and noticed that the steering gearbox is pretty much trying to fall off while we're trying to turn it. What we got was a frame stiffener.
It goes on the outside and the bottom, and then this goes on the steering box side from Stinky Fab.
It's at the point where you can almost not even turn it, like at all.
Oh god, that's such a weird feeling mud. Is that because there's cow poop in it from being in the pasture?
Probably.
Oh, that went down my back. There's a chicken in your barn right now.
Look how thick that weld is. No, that is not a good kind of thick.
Yeah, there's literally bolt holes for it.
Yeah, but no. We'll just weld her on there. It's not like it's a standard bolt or anything either.
This ain't gonna work. Work.
What the fuck?
Mason, they make spring compressors.
That's what I told him. No, that's not. That is not what he meant at all.
So, after Mason nearly killed us 2 to 3 times, it was time to weld in the frame stiffeners. And I've never welded before, and I want to give it a shot.
Whoa, it's on fire. It went on fire for a second. Holy shit. Don't judge what I got welded so far because I have an excuse because it caught on fire, so.
Just on a scrap piece.
Mason got the side entirely welded in with the help of me with the 3-inch spot I welded. And he's cutting the other side right now. And then after we get that all welded in, we're going to put on the new steering gearbox and hopefully she'll be ready to go wheeling.
Yeah. How do I turn on my radio? I don't know. I don't remember turning it off, but now I don't want to turn it on. I was gonna listen to some tunes.
Whoa, whoa. Oh God! Now that one engine mount was coming off, that entire engine, that could be a popping noise.
I've definitely expanded my horizon of rock crawling. You want to come, Mike? Alright, it won't go into 4 left.
Your drive shaft came off.
It came off?
Wait, no. No, your drive shaft's still there.
I think it popped out of gear in the transfer case. Oh, I poured transfer case.
Oh, it's all the smoke. Oh! Took the mirror off. U-joint, it's laying right there. Look at that. Oh, look at the needles over. It's not hot.
Here, let me take a picture of it. Leave it there.
Well, the U-joint was or the axle shafts were already worn out, so I just welded the U-joint in, and I don't know, maybe the welding might have weakened it.
It seems like every time we fix something on the Jeep, something else breaks. But it's okay, because Mason wanted to put Super Duty axles under the Jeep anyway, so if you have some, comment below. You're going to see the Jeep on a future episode of the show because me and Mason really want to take this thing out wheeling. Also, we made a promise to ourselves that we're going to post an episode every other week. So you're going to be seeing us a lot more often now because in the past we were posting like maybe once a month, but now it's going to be bi-weekly. So there'll be a lot more episodes to watch and a lot of new content.